Hi friends, big news. I know that I was quiet for a while because I was working on this project. So my new book, Hands-on Ansible Automation, is out and you can buy today. So let me jump back to the most important news. I was partnered with BPB, the most influential Asia publisher that is based in New Delhi, for this great book. What you're gonna learn, so basically this is a completely new project built from scratch about all my knowledge about Ansible. It's designed for a professional that want to upskill your current information, your current knowledge about Ansible, but also for people that really want to start from zero, from scratch. So this is up to date about the latest evolution of Ansible. So it includes the latest collection, the latest verified content. There is also a mention about event-driven automation. There is everything that actually is worth it for a professional in 2023 to succeed in Ansible. He has a lot of hands-on code. You know my style. I really like the theory but also the practical part. So there is a lot of code that you can start using from day one to automate your Linux and Windows system. There's a lot of screenshots, a lot of really interesting things, and I can't wait to hear your feedback. So the book is out. I'm so happy to partner with this editor because this is something new, and I'm so happy to share with you the news. You can find out in the official website as well, everywhere where you buy books basically. So you can mention Amazon, you can mention a lot of bookshops, and is available as a Kindle, as a paperback, as an ebook plus Kindle. So this is everything. And I'm working with a publisher on a launch offer that you can actually save money. I asked specifically for a low price because I know, especially for the India market, that this is a very sensitive topic. So this is my gift to you guys for a big community, and I hope that we can automate more. Bye! Thank you!